Hello everyone, let's take a look at another Casio watch. This is the Casio MTP-VD03B-1A, which I bought for my brother's birthday. The glass is mineral. It has a beautiful dial that looks different from various angles, with a date function at the 3 o'clock position. The watch is ion-plated, with a metal bracelet and a signed folded clasp. It has a 3-bar water resistance and a diameter of 41 mm. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. My wrist circumference is 17 centimeters. This dial is beautiful, with a quartz movement. It's very thin for this size. And the bracelet quality is excellent for the price. You can make small adjustments on the bracelet. And here's how to resize it. I'm really impressed with how the dial catches the light. It looks great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video.